All right, welcome to another Art Talks. Today I wanted to talk about being yourself. My favorite quote of all time is by Oscar Wilde. Be yourself, everyone else is already taken. And why we gotta just be ourselves, because we can't be those other people. And if we're constantly chasing to try to be someone else that we're not, there's going to be constant disappointment. It can't be otherwise. I'm looking at this little cartoon image I have in front of me of like Paul McCartney and John Lennon. I would love to be Paul McCartney and John Lennon, but I can't be. I don't have their skill set. I don't have their talent. It's just not going to happen. So I could be in that frame of mind where, woe is me, why can't I be like that? I could try. I could learn guitar. I could learn how to write songs. I could just aspire to be something and get to that level. But I'm never going to be that person. And quite honestly, you probably wouldn't want all the troubles that they had. After all, John Lennon was shot dead, and I don't want that to happen, right? So the bottom line is, no matter what it is that you're even going through with your art, when you're scrolling through social media and you see these other artists and you see where they're working and you see their level of talent, you know you cannot be them. You will never be them. And again, it's their lives. You don't know everything that's going on in their lives. All they are in your eyes is someone who's done something and all of a sudden in your mind achieved success. There's such a long route to success. Some people, it can go just zip line all the way through. Some people, it's like this zigzag all the way through and can take months, years. You just don't know, but all you know is that's what you see. You see the end result of where they're at and you want to be that. But what we can only work on for ourselves is just having that aspiration to aspire to be in that place and say, listen, I love what these artists are doing. I love what this artist is capable of. I love their approach to doing this. What is it that you can see in their artwork that inspires you? That's what you got to always just look for and be in search of. Maybe you look at something and go, God, I love the expressiveness of their hands. Wow, I love the expressiveness of the poses that they do. And those, excuse me, are the things that you just want to start trying to chase and work towards. And you know, through your perseverance, through your persistence, through your practice, you're going to get there, because that's what it is. I hear many times people say, you know, I want to be better. And how do I get better? Listen, I'm not putting in as much practice as I know I should, but I want to get better. Well, that's the problem right there. You've already answered the question. You just need to solve it. You just need to know that I got to put in more time and more practice. And that's what's going to eventually get me there to be myself, because this is it. This is what you have this time around on this planet. No matter where you live in the world, no matter what your circumstance is, you are you and you are where you are, and you can decide if you want to move into a different environment. If it's possible, you do that. If you want to start doing things, working on more exercises for yourself, you start doing that. But these are all choices that one needs to make for themselves in order to be moved to that next level. We cannot expect other people to do it for us. We cannot expect other people to take us there. We can ask people for help. We can seek help. We can watch videos like you do at the Silver Drawing Academy, and you're learning and you're gaining that knowledge. It's up to you how often you're doing that. Are you just doing it once a week? Are you doing it once every day? This gets to be your choice and your decision in order for you to be yourself, to take you to that next level. All right? Make it a great week, and I'll talk to you guys next week. Take care.